Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your email address on Telegram step by step using the latest 2025 app layout. This can be really useful if you have switched the emails or you want to improve your account's security. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Telegram mobile application on your phone. Then you need to log in into that particular account of yours in which you want to basically change your email address. So once you are here on this home page, you need to tap on the three lines here in the top left hand corner of the screen. This is going to show you your name, your number and a bunch of other options here. So when you tap on the option of my profile, you will be landed here on this info page where again your phone number and your username will be visible. So you can tap on this pencil icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to get access to the further profile info option. You can also get access to this particular option with the help of the settings of your Telegram account. So when you tap on the three lines here in the top left hand corner of the screen, you can go to the settings of your device. Once you do this, you will be shown your account related details like your phone number, then your username and then your bio. So you must have added your email address in your bio of your Telegram account. So you can tap on the bio option. Then here too, you will be able to see your email address, whichever you have added over here. So you need to tap on the pencil icon right next to the email which you have added previously. Then you need to remove that email and start adding your new email address. When you add your new email address and when you tap on the option of next, Telegram is going to send a verification code on your newly added email address. So you need to go to your new email addresses inbox. Then you need to get the code from there and enter it here in your Telegram account. After the successful verification of your email address, your new email address will be updated successfully and immediately, I would say. So this new email will now be linked to your Telegram account for more recovery and security options. You can also get into it by tapping on the privacy and security option. So from here too, you can make changes into your registered email address on your Telegram account. Make sure that the new email address is the one that you can access anytime and it is used for the password resets and login recovery. Also, always double check for the typos before confirming. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.